Hello students, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, then shall I start? See students, already we learned 2D shapes. 2D shapes means what? Two-dimensional shape. We call as flat shape or plane shape because these shapes has only one face. See, this is the square. See, the square has only one face. So we call as flat shape or plane shape. It is very easy to draw the plane shapes. Now see, today we will see the 3D shapes. 3D shapes means what? Two three-dimensional shape. We call as solid shapes. It includes see cube, see cube, okay. Then see cuboid, cuboid. Then cone shape, see cone shape. Now cylinder shape, see the cylinder shape, and sphere, see. Okay, understood? Now see in your book, see page number 10, see solid shapes are here. Solid shapes mean 3D shapes are here. Three-dimensional shapes. The first example, see, first cube is there. See first cube. See the examples of this cube: wooden box, dice, and ice cube. Okay. Then see the next. Next is cuboid. See, this is the cuboid. See the examples of this cuboid: eraser, book, and brick. Eraser, book, and brick. This is the example of cuboid. Now the next is cylinder shape. Okay. See the cylinder shape. See the example of pencil, straw, and dustbin. Now the next is cone. See the cone shape. See the example: joker's cap, tent, and funnel. Okay, this is the examples of cone. Now the next is sphere. See the example of the sphere: football, globe, and marble. Okay. Now next is oval. See the rugby ball, watermelon, and mirror. Today we will see only cube. See cube, and we will learn faces means what, edges means what, and vertex means what. Okay, see students, faces means what? The part of this flat shape. See the part of this flat shape is known as face of this solid shape. This shape is called the solid shape. See again, the part of this flat shape that is known as face of this solid shape. For example, the cube has 6 faces. See here 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many faces the cube has? 6 faces. Okay, understood? Again you just see part of the shape that is flat. The part of the shape that is flat is known as face. Okay, of this solid shape. Now the cube has 6 faces. Again you just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 6. The cube has 6 faces. Okay, see the flat shape of this solid shape is called faces. Now we will see the edges. See the line. See the line where two faces meet. See this or these faces meet here. See this line is called edges. See the line where two faces meet. See these two faces meet here. This line is called edges. See this or this face meet here. This line is called edges. Okay. See this or this face meet here. See this line is called edges. Understood? Now the cube has 12 edges. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12. How many? 12 edges. Okay, the cube has 12 edges. Now we will see the vertex. Vertex means corners. See the see the square has how many corners the square has? 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Okay, but see here this cube has 8 vertices. Now vertex means what? See the point. See the point where 2 or more edges meet. See here 2 or one more means 2 or more edges meet here. This point is called vertex. See here this edge or this edge meet here. This point is called vertex. What? Vertex. The cube has 8 vertices. How many vertices the cube has? 8 vertices. Okay? Understood? Now see. See here students, this is the cube and see I will show you first the faces. See, faces means what? The part of the shape that is flat is called the face of this solid shape. See, I will show you. The cube has 6 faces. See, 1, okay, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 and then 6. See, the cube has 6 faces. How many? 6 faces. Understood? Faces means what? See, the part of the shape that is flat is known as face of this solid shape. Okay, now see, we will see the edges. Edges means what? The line. See, the line where 2 faces meet is known as edges. See, these 2 faces, these faces meet here. This line is called edges. Edges. Understood? Now see, here this face meet together. This line is called edges. We will see the how many edges are here. See, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many? How many students? 12. How many edges? 12 edges. The cube has 12 edges. See, the cube has 12 edges. Understood, students? See the line. See the line where 2 faces meet. See, this face and this face meet here. This line is called edges. And the cube has 12 edges. Now we will see the vertex. Okay, vertex means what? The point. See, the point. Okay, wait, I will show you. See, the point where 2 or more edges meet is known as vertex. See, the point where 2 or more edges. See here, how many edges meet? 1, 2 and these 3. 3 edges meet here. Okay, this point is called vertex. See again, 1 edge, 2 edges and this is the 3. Means 3 edges meet here. This point is called vertex. Vertex means the point where 2 or more edges meet. This point is called vertex, otherwise corner. Okay, then see how many vertices are there the cube has. The cube has 8 vertices. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. How many? 8 vertex. The cube has 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8 vertex. Understood? Vertex means what? Again you just see the part of this shape that is flat is known as faces. The cube has 6 faces. And edges means what? The line where, see the line where two faces meet. See the line where two faces meet is called edges. And the cube has 12 edges. And vertex means what? The point where two or more edges meet. See, this is the 1, 2 and 3 edges meet here. This point is called vertex. The cube has 8 vertex. Okay? Understood? Now see, I will show you how to draw cube. Okay? See, use scale. See here. I will show you here. Take two boxes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Two boxes. Okay. And draw here line. Then again take two boxes. 1, 2. See. Draw here line. Again 1, 2. See. And join this. See, this is the square. Okay. This is the square. Okay. Now see, this is the center point. Now again you just take 1 or 2 box here. See, then you draw one line here. Okay. See, 1, 2. Now again take 1, 2. See, again you just take 1, 2 boxes. Then again 1, 2. Okay, and this 1, 2. Join this. Okay, completed this. Then see, join this. See, this or this. Okay, then see, same. See, this and then this. Completed. Then see this. See, this over, then join this and this. See, completed. Cube. C-U-B-E. Okay, understood students? Okay, bye.